McNasty Customz little Swampies. I'm going to install these right now, and then we're going to do a trial run on them afterwards. Hey fellow RZR adventurers, I love taking this beast out and hitting the trails and just getting all full of mud, but I hate when water surges up through the floorboard and soaks my feet, soaks the bottom of my pants, and then I have to get out of the RZR, come around, put my hands in the dirty water down here, get them cold, find the plug, and then wait for it to drain. But I think I found a solution. Enter McNasty little Swampies. I'm gonna put them in and then we'll do a little trial run and let you know how they work. So it's a pretty easy install. First you just have to remove the plug. And this is nice because you don't have to worry about losing these later when you're taking it out to wash it. So you just need a drill and a T40 Torx bit. You remove this one bolt. Nice and easy. Then you're going to take your little Swampies, one hole to line up. You're going to put this grate on this side. It's going to allow the water to flow back out and all the nasty gravels. Line it all back up. Tighten it back in. Good to go. Let's do the other side. All right, we're just gonna do the same to the other side. Remove your plug. Don't need that anymore. I'm gonna remove this bolt. Line up your holes. Put it in the right way. There you go. Let's go give it a try. All right. So let's say hubby just went through a giant mud hole, and let's see what's gonna happen. There you go. Happy feet, dry hands. It works. Hey, RZR adventurers. Okay. Hey. Oh, with a T40 nut. Screw.
What?